Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm discussing a heartbreaking incident that has shaken the corporate world and sparked a critical conversation about workplace stress and mental health. This is the story of a young 26-year-old chartered accountant from Pune whose untimely death has been attributed to extreme work stress. Recently, a tragic incident occurred in Pune where a 26-year-old chartered accountant who worked for the prominent firm EY passed away. According to her family, the immense pressure and stress from her job played a significant role in her demise. What has shocked many is the revelation that no representative from EY attended her funeral, raising question about the company's response to this tragedy. Her mother has made a public statement urging the company to view this incident as a wake-up call to reevaluate their workplace culture and pressure placed on employee. This incident had brought to light a harsh reality that many young professionals face today. The pressure to perform, meet tight deadlines, and the constant need to prove oneself in a highly competitive environment can lead to severe mental and physical health issues. In extreme cases, the stress can become so overwhelming that it leads to tragic outcomes like the one in this case. So, from a legal standpoint, company have a duty of care towards their employee. This includes creating a safe work environment and ensuring that employees are not subjected to undue stress or harassment. While there are labor laws and regulation in place that mandate reasonable working hours and rest period, the implementation and enforcement of these laws can sometimes be lax. So, the lack of response from EY at the funeral has been seen by many as a failure of corporate responsibility. This tragic event is a wake up call for both employees and employers. For company, it is a reminder to create a healthy work environment where both people feel valued and supported. This case is a heartbreaking reminder of the toll that work stress can take on an individual health and well being. So, let's honor her memory by advocating for a healthier, more compassionate workplace for everyone. If you found this video insightful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more content on important issues like this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Also, thank you for watching and remember to take care of yourself and each other.